Welcome to Wyoming. My wife and I came up here for our annual camping trip with some friends. We're right near Alpine Junction, and I think we're gonna go check out the Tetons, hopefully see some animals, and enjoy this beautiful part of the state. This is my favorite part of Wyoming. It's beautiful up here. So this adventure will be a little bit different this week. Since this is my friend's vacation, I don't want to shove my cameras in their faces all weekend long. So we'll keep it a little laid back, just mainly some nice scenery and a little Teton adventure. This is the mighty Snake River. We get to follow this river right to the Tetons. And if you're feeling adventurous, river rafting is a very popular choice on this stretch of the river. Next stop is Jackson Hole. We will fill up on some fuel, get some snacks, and head out. There's my new car. Just kidding. Speed tour of the Tetons. If you've never been here before, be ready to take a million pictures. The Tetons are one of the most iconic mountain ranges in the US. Once you see them, you'll never forget. The shape and size of these mountains are amazing. We have a cloudy day today, so they are going to hide a little bit, but maybe we'll get lucky and catch a glimpse of some of the peaks. Jenny Lake, a must stop in this park. I've heard the boat ride is pretty nice. The most photographed barn in America. Another must stop. Tough to get a shot of this barn with no people in it. You might have to wait a while. The sun's coming back out. Can't forget the buffalo. Remember, don't get dead. Don't pet the buffalo. Well, that was the fast tour of the Grand Tetons. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to head back to the camp and probably have some adult beverage, maybe some shenanigans, and relax before the skies open up and give us some more rain. Well, another rainy adventure. Hasn't let up all weekend except for the one morning we went to the Tetons. Very wet summer. I can't believe it. Look at the difference in the river. Crazy. Luckily, I had one shot to get the drone up before we got rained on. This is the Grays River Road, a slice of heaven not far from Jackson Hole. The clouds are velcroed to the mountain. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you on the next adventure.